In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Etsy shop with Gelato, a powerful tool for print-on-demand services. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly integrating your Etsy store, enhancing the efficiency of your print business. Let's get started. First, we need to log into Gelato. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Gelato login page. This is your gateway to access all the powerful tools that Gelato offers. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice a button that says Continue with Google. By choosing this option, you can simplify the login process by using your Google account credentials. Just click on it and you'll be directed to a Google login page. Here, you'll choose the Google account associated with your Gelato profile. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any future complications. Once selected, you'll automatically be redirected back to Gelato's dashboard, now logged in and ready to proceed to the next step. On your Gelato dashboard, scan for the Connect Etsy button. This is a straightforward step that sets the stage for integrating your Etsy store. Click on Connect Etsy, and a new window will appear, directing you to Etsy's connection settings. It's worth mentioning here that both platforms need to communicate effectively to manage your print-on-demand tasks effortlessly. Now, we're at a critical juncture, granting access. You'll be prompted with a request from Etsy asking for permission to share data with Gelato. This is a necessary step as it allows Gelato to pull information about your listings, process orders, and manage shipments. When you're ready, click on Grant Access. It's important to trust the process and allow data flow between these services to automate and enhance your business operations. After granting access, Gelato will automatically link with your Etsy store. This integration means that your Etsy listings are now synced with Gelato, enabling automated creation and fulfillment of print products without manual interference. It's a fantastic way to streamline operations, reduce errors, and focus on scaling your business rather than managing logistics. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've connected your Etsy shop with Gelato, setting yourself up for streamlined operations and boosted efficiency. As you continue to explore the Gelato platform, remember that having your store data integrated paves the way for more automated processes, freeing up more of your valuable time for creative pursuits. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.